not talking about, not liking somebody because they piss you off or something. I'm talking about supporting a cause when you don't even know what the hell it means. That kind of thing. Many of us speak our minds, and that's the way we feel about it. But, think before you talk. Don't make the decision before you think it over. But truthfully, I feel like freedom of speech it has more to do with standing up against the government and keeping them from violating your rights and privileges as an American. Because that's what this country was founded on.
Anyway, that was my skills. This is a real American flag, and it landed up here in Wales, UK. Now, freedom of speech to me is I can say what the fuck I like, do what I like, because I'm at the age you're going to think I'm a nutcase anyway. So, to all of them, okay? Freedom of speech. Thank you, Captain Jerky. Thanks, John, for the voiceover. My channel. Right, I'll do. Right, filled up by there now. We can say thank you, America, for supporting me and the things I get up to.
For a third entry is by telling yourself on the video that you're going to do better at something in your life. Something where you know you're fucked up and you need to improve.
Hard question, that. I must improve on my painting skills, because she wants the house decorated again. She wants carpeting done as well. Plus cleaning the bath, because she wants me to clean the bath as well. Plus take her shopping more often, because she wants to go shopping more often. Plus doing the gardening, because she wants a nice garden out the front instead of free flicking cars back out there. Plus the backyard, because it's the dog's place, you know what I mean? So I got quite a lot to do. Okay. Thank you all from the USA, from Wales, UK, Wales.